What's up guys, Marcos here. And today we have an unboxing of the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 headphones. Now, I have used these headphones for the last 11 months, but I never really did an unboxing on the channel, so now we have an unboxing. And the reason why I have another set is because my old ones, they broke for some reason. No clue, it wouldn't let me turn it on. The light that it has, I'll show you when we unbox it, just kept turning red and wouldn't connect to the Xbox. So luckily, Turtle Beach's support team, I sent them an email, and I sent one email and they said, okay, and they sent me a completely new one. All I had to do was send back the broken ones. No questions asked. So shout out to their support team. That's great customer support. Alright, so now that that's out of the way, let's get to the unboxing of these Turtle Beach Stealth 700. Okay guys, so here is the front of the box. Here it says, for Xbox One, by Turtle Beach. It's the Stealth 700 headphones. And they're wireless headphones that connect directly to the Xbox One. You don't connect it through a dongle or anything. It just automatically connects just like you connect an Xbox controller. So here, just information, whatever. You can pause the video and read that. Here. It has active noise cancellation. And on the back, it just tells you all the features of it. Hopefully you can see that in the camera. Let's see. Alright. And it also works with Windows 10 PCs wireless too. And that's just a picture of it. Alright, so let's actually open this guy now. So on the top here, it says, update your headset firmware, which you can do using a program that you download on the computer, which I'll show you later in the video. So first, cut these things. Careful with knives, man. Always close it. Don't want to cut yourself. But here, got this. Open. Can I open? Or is this supposed to pull out? See, why am I so bad? I cannot unbox things. And there's another piece of tape. This is one thing I am not good at unboxing stuff. Oh wait, come on. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that was painful. It's painful to watch. Alright, now this should pull out. Alright, so one last look at this thing. We don't need this. Get this out of here. Whoops, I hit the camera. Oopsie. Alright, so now we have this white box. It just says Turtle Beach, information about the headphones on the bottom. It should open up like this. Let's see. Oh, gotta open that also so I don't hit the camera. Boom, look at that. In there. Take this out. Oh, I don't know if the whole thing is supposed to come out. You got this plastic, I don't need that. Don't need this thing. And here we have the headphones. Put this to the side for now. Here it says, it's just the headphones. I mean, you got the different buttons, superhuman hearing, Bluetooth, the power on and off, charging port, aux, the pairing button, volume buttons. And on this side, there's nothing. Yeah. All right. Now, before we talk more about the headphones, let's talk about what else is in the box. So you can see the sticker up here says you'll need these. If I can pull this thing out. Don't need that. Wow. Well, I mean, geez, I thought there was going to be more. So I guess this is just the charging cable for the, just a regular micro USB cable. It doesn't come with an aux cable, a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack cable. And here's the paperwork, I guess, if I can pick it up. No longer need the box. And here, attention, blah, blah, blah. This is what I did, because these were a replacement model. I didn't take it back to the store. I contacted Turtle Beach. Their support team was great. Like I said, I sent one email describing my issue, and they sent me a completely new one. Now, it does have to be in warranty. There's a 1-year manufacturer warranty, and I was just I was at 11 months. But I have no clue what they do if it's out of warranty. Maybe they replace it for a price, but I have no clue. Register your products. Oh, you got a sticker here. What is this, an Apple product? And a setup guide, here, let's read this real quick. You're who am I kidding? We're not gonna read that. All right. Alright, that's what's in the box, so let's get back to the headphones now. So now here, the headphones, you have, like I said before, I described the buttons already. And you have these things. It says, download the Turtle Beach Audio Hub app. You could get that on, it says you could get it on iOS and Android, but you could also get it on Mac and Windows to set up your headphones. Alright, let's peel these things off really quick. Let's see. It's about to be the most unsatisfying peel ever. That wasn't bad. Alright, other one. Alright, look how shiny it is. Look how satisfying. Yoink. Nope, now there's a finger smudge. And these. If you guys really don't care about the peeling of this, just skip this part. Alright, so yeah. Next, I'll show you the program that you need to set these up, update them, and how to connect them to your Xbox. So, let's go. First, you go to the website here that it should give you in the instruction templates. It's turtlebeach.com/pages/audiohub, and you download it for whatever computer you have or device, Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS. Now, I already have it downloaded, so here, this is what pops up when you download it. Please attach a Turtle Beach device. And here, you'll take the cable that came with the Stealth 700 and plug in the Stealth 700 right here. I can plug it in. Okay. The light should turn on and this should recognize the device and say downloading files. Whatever. Now just wait. Should update your device. Your device is up to date. And here you could play with the different settings like noise gate, chat boost, different tones, look at your headset firmware or whatever. And it tells you the version up here. You can restore them if anything happens that they're broken. And like mine didn't restore, so I had to send them back. They gave me a new one. Now everything should be good here. If you want to change up the stuff, the settings. Yes, now we could connect it to the Xbox. Okay, so here at your Xbox, like any other controller you would set up, you press, since I have the oldest Xbox, you press the pairing button. It's different on other ones until the button starts blinking. And on these headphones, you press this button right here and hold it until it starts pairing. Like that, blinking too. Both of them are blinking. They should pair. And boom, look at that. Headset assigned. And you're good to go. And that's it. Okay, so now that they're paired to the Xbox, you can do whatever play. At first, they're gonna be kind of stiff. Like these cushions right here are really stiff at first, but they do break in over time, which is what I experienced with my old ones. And these, I think it took about a month to break in, but they're not super bad. And the top cushion too needs to be broken in. But I like these headphones. They're really good. I would definitely recommend them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful at least. But thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.